At Pizza Ranch, we love giving you lots of options to fit your healthy lifestyle. Build your own salad with our wide variety of fresh ingredients. And remember, you can request any pizza on thin crust for a lighter option. Rediscover favorites like our vegetarian-friendly Tuscan Roma. And who can resist a piece of our 100% hormone-free, country's best chicken, cooked in trans-fat-free oil? Finally, quench your thirst with one of our many beverage options. For healthy choices that still satisfy, it's Pizza Ranch for the win!